Morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Welcome to Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. We're at the weekend and we're just trying to get rid of the last of the rain that is around this morning. We have a cold front that has moved on through, but it's kind of stretched out northeast southwest from a low that's right off the coast of southern New England, right off of Cape Cod. And that front is pushed back down into southern New Jersey and across Maryland and down into Virginia. So we've got this east-west band of clouds. We just have to kind of chew through this morning, and then we should start to finally see some improving weather conditions. So let's take a look. First, there are some active radars as of 8 a.m. Eastern time. Still seeing some showers moving across New York City, Long Island, and points eastward and on up into the Hudson Valley. We'll move it down to the radar out of Fort Dix, and then you start to see the shower activity a bit less. There's a band there in eastern Pennsylvania. Further west, going into Pennsylvania and into Maryland, you will see where that back edge is, and then you just got some very light precip going through central PA. Much of what's back here is just sprinkles, really. So this is just the issue this morning, is to just get this little tail that we see on the wide satellite view. We get that little tail out of the way, and then weather conditions are going to improve quite nicely. We are going to be in a good spot when it's all said and done. You've got this low that's out to the east, and that is going to be moving toward Nova Scotia and strengthening. Remember, we talked yesterday about this next trough that's dropping down into the plains, and that is going to create shower and thunderstorm activity. You see it right there, but there's going to be an area right in here of dry air that comes in, and that is going to hold for a good portion of the weekend. That really is going to be the key to all this, that we get this upper high that is building in to hold on, and I think it will. Just a matter of getting rid of the last of these clouds out of here. So there's the rain on the wide radar view in the east that's starting to rotate to the southeast and pulling out. You've got showers and thunderstorms back in the plains. That's where all the severe weather is going to be today. And in between, you have a whole lot of, let's say, a whole lot of nothing in terms of weather going on. So here's how the GFS plays it. All the models are about the same by this afternoon at 2 p.m. Now, this is actually how much rain is forecast to fall through this morning. It's not actually showing the radars, but for the most part, we're going to see the radars done with by then. And then we'll start to get into this dry air. We'll clear it out. And we're talking low humidity here, by the way. So here we are for Saturday in the afternoon, and we have the edge of low pressure on the upper right. You actually have a fairly tight pressure gradient here, so we'll have some gusty winds. And then you've got this nice high that's just sort of sandwiched in between. And on the other side of that, you're starting to see some warmer, more humid air coming back into the southeast with some showers and storms. So Saturday's weather looks great from Virginia, from northern Virginia through southern New England. There might be a few light showers up in parts of interior New England, but everybody else will be fine. Temperatures will be topping out in the 70s to around 80. And then Sunday, that wall holds. You can see that rain on the GFS tries to move northward, but it makes no progress at all. So that wall holds. We'll have plenty of sunshine for Sunday. From Maryland on up through New England. Temperatures are going to be topping out in the upper 70s to low 80s at least, and there might be a few spots that could push it to 84 or 5. And then as we get to Monday, I think we're going to hold on for most of Monday. You start to see that low come into the plains. That perhaps brings some showers, scattered showers and thunderstorms into Pennsylvania, maybe into westernmost New Jersey by Monday evening. But I think for coastal areas and areas north and east, it stays away. And we have a trough coming in for Tuesday morning and afternoon that'll probably trigger off a couple of thunderstorms, but they look to be scattered in nature. Much of next week, to me, looks very warm, very humid. At least the humidity levels will be going up. and there may be chances for isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. I don't see any widespread rain events for next week. It's a totally different pattern. Next week is the first week of summer, and it's going to be very much summer-like. Warm and humid conditions, sunshine, temperatures in the 80s. On some days, we will get up to 90. Some places might even get into the low 90s. By the way, all the rain that we've had over the last number of weeks, the soil moisture content is pretty high, and that actually might help to hold temperatures down just a little bit. So instead of getting up to say 93 or 94 in some places, maybe we only get to about 89 or 90. All right, that's it for Weather in 5. Have a great rest of your Friday and a great weekend. We'll have a live our YouTube live stream tonight at 6 o'clock, and of course Facebook posts peppered throughout the day on the website, meteorologistjoecioffi.com. Download my free weather app on Google Play or on the App Store. Just search Meteorologist Joe Cioffi or Joe Cioffi. That second search works on Google Play. Might not necessarily work on the App Store. Have a great day, everybody.